Session 2. Welcome. Today we will dive into pedagogical skills for elementary teachers. In this session, we will explore key teaching theories for elementary teachers. These theories guide how we approach teaching and learning. The main theories we will cover include behaviorism, constructivism, cognitivism, social learning theory, and multiple intelligence theory. Let's start with behaviorism. Behaviorism focuses on what we can see. Students' observable behaviors and their responses to different stimuli in their environment. Reinforcement play a big role in behaviorism. Teachers use rewards and consequences to shape students' behaviors and learning. For example, a simple reward system could be 1 point for raising your hand to participate, 2 points for helping a classmate, and 3 points for completing homework on time. This encourages positive behavior and motivates students to engage. Here are some activities based on behaviorism that can help reinforce learning. Number 1, drill and practice, repeating tasks to reinforce skills. Number 2, reward systems, offering rewards for desired behaviors. Number 3, questions and response, asking questions and providing immediate feedback. Number 4, guided practice with feedback, providing feedback while students practice. Number 5, conditioning through repetition, reinforcing behaviors through repetition. Number 6, role of reinforcement, reinforcing positive actions and correcting mistakes. Number 7, game with rewards, learning through fun activities and with rewards. Number 8, repetition with variation, repeating activities but with slight changes to keep it engaging. Moving on to constructivism. In constructivism, learning is viewed as a cognitive process that occurs through experience, social interaction, and active participation. Students build their own knowledge based on what they already know and experience. An example of constructivist activity: divide the class into groups and provide them with material like straws, protectors, and rulers. Ask them to create different types of triangles: scalene, equilateral, and isosceles triangles. This hands-on activity helps students actively engage with the material and understand the concepts better. These theories give teachers the tool to create engaging, effective learning environments that meet the needs of all students. Let's explore some constructivism-based activities that encourage active learning. Number 1, problem-solving activities. Students tackle real-world problems. Number 2, inquiry-based learning, encouraging students to ask questions and explore solutions. Number 3, collaborative learning, working together in groups to share knowledge. Number 4, role-playing and simulations, acting out scenarios to understand concepts better. Number 5, hands-on activities, learning by doing. Number 6, reflective activities, reflecting on learning experiences. Number 7, technology integration, using tech tools to enhance learning. Concept mapping, organize information visually. Number 9, fieldwork and real-world applications, taking learning outside the classroom. And let's not forget self-directed learning, where students take charge of their learning process. Now let's discuss cognitivism. Cognitivism focuses on how students acquire, process, and store information. It emphasizes mental processes such as critical thinking, memory strategies, problem solving, advanced reasoning. This theory helps us understand how students mentally process what they learn. Here are some cognitivism-based activities that encourage deeper thinking: Guided discovery learning. Teachers guide students to discover information on their own. Role playing and simulation. Students learn through engaging simulations. Think, pair, share, a cooperative activity where students think individually, then share ideas with a partner. Concept mapping, creating visual representation of ideas. Story-based learning, using stories to make lessons more relatable. Case studies, analyzing real-world scenarios to learn problem-solving skills. Next, we have social learning theory. This theory suggests that people learn by observing others and imitating their behaviors. Learning through observation, students learn by watching others. Importance of peer interaction, interacting with peers is a key to learning, building a sense of community, encouraging a sense of belonging through shared learning. For example, students can improve their reading skills through peer interaction and collaborative reading activities. Now let's look at some social learning theory based activities. Observational learning, learning by observing others, imitation, coping positive behaviors, role modeling activities. Teachers act as role models to guide students, positive reinforcements and feedback, encouraging students with praise and constructive feedback, classroom debates, engaging students in discussion to develop critical thinking, learning through games, using games as a tool for collaborative learning. These activities help students learn from one another and build a supportive learning environment. Let's now explore multiple intelligence theory, proposed by Howard Gardner. This theory highlights that students have different ways of learning and expressing their knowledge. By designing activities suited to these various intelligences, teachers can meet the diverse learning needs of their students. This approach ensures that lessons are more engaging and inclusive. Importantly, it recognizes that intelligence is not just about academic success. Each individual has unique strength. For example, you could ask students to create a flow chart for the water cycle using logical mathematical intelligence, or make a 3D model of the water cycle using spatial intelligence. Gardner's multiple intelligences include linguistic intelligence, strong ability in language and communication; logical mathematical intelligence, strong reasoning and problem-solving skills; spatial intelligence, picture smart, good at visualizing and thinking in 3 dimensions; bodily kinesthetic intelligence, learning through physical environment like games or role play; interpersonal intelligence, understanding and interacting with others; interpersonal intelligence, understanding and interacting well with others; intrapersonal intelligence, self-awareness and understanding one's own emotions; naturalistic intelligence, sensitivity to the natural world. Here are some multiple intelligence-based activities that cater to different strengths. Hands-on activities, engaging students through physical interaction; reflective activities, allowing students to reflect on their learning and experiences; technology integration, using digital tools to enhance learning; concept mapping, visualizing relationships between ideas; mental imaging exercises, encouraging students to use their imagination to understand concepts; role modeling activities, demonstrating skills for students to imitate. These learning theories provide a foundation for how we approach teaching and learning. By understanding and implementing these strategies, we can create more effective, engaging and supportive learning environments for our students. Thank you for joining this session on Pedagogical Skills for Elementary Teachers. Stay tuned for more.